Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. There's a magic in living by the water, a sense of peace and endless vacation. And the best part? You don't need a sprawling estate to capture it. In fact, sometimes, less is so much more. Today, we're celebrating the charm, efficiency, and stunning beauty of small beach house design. Welcome back to Home's Inspiration Studio. I'm your host, and whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a permanent residence, the small beach house is the ultimate dream. These compact homes are all about maximizing the connection to the ocean and minimizing fuss. We're going to define this unique architectural style, dive into its fantastic benefits, give you the insider tips on creating perfect coastal curb appeal, and of course, showcase the top 10 best small beach house design ideas to get you planning your coastal escape. Grab a cool drink and let's start dreaming. Small beach house design is an architectural approach that focuses on creating a highly efficient, low-maintenance, and cozy dwelling situated near the coastline. The small aspect is crucial, emphasizing smart spatial planning over large square footage. This design style is defined by a few core elements. First is resilience and durability. Coastal environments are harsh, so materials like durable cement board siding, galvanized metals, and impact-rated windows are essential. Secondly, the structure is often elevated on pilings or a podium. This addresses flood zone requirements, protects the home from storm surge, and most importantly, dramatically enhances the ocean views from the main living level. Thirdly, the interiors feature open-concept living with built-in storage to maximize the feeling of space. Crucially, every design decision is aimed at maximizing the view, often involving large decks, expansive glass, and a layout that draws the eye toward the water from almost every room. It's a design philosophy that prioritizes experiences over extravagance. Choosing a smaller beach house over a large one comes with a wave of practical and financial benefits. The most obvious is significantly lower cost and maintenance. A smaller footprint means reduced initial construction costs and, critically, less to maintain over the long term. In a demanding coastal environment where everything is exposed to salt and sand, having less exterior surface area to clean and paint saves time and money. Secondly, small homes offer greater financial flexibility. They can be highly desirable as vacation rentals, offering an excellent source of passive income due to their high demand and lower operating costs compared to larger properties. Finally, and most importantly, they promote a simpler, focused lifestyle. With limited space, you are forced to declutter and prioritize, which aligns perfectly with the relaxed, unhurried, and outdoor-centric rhythm of beach life, allowing you to focus on the ocean, not on your belongings. The exterior of your small beach house is its welcoming face, and the right decoration can amplify its charm and coastal identity. Begin with classic coastal color palettes. Stick to colors that evoke the sea and sand: crisp whites, soft pale blues, seafoam greens, or light driftwood grays. These colors feel breezy, reflect sunlight, and contrast beautifully with the vibrant blue of the ocean. Next, design for outdoor living zones. Even if the house is small, the deck and entrance should be expansive. Incorporate built-in benches, comfortable, weather-resistant outdoor furniture, like teak or polywood, and simple nautical elements like rope lighting or oversized lanterns. Finally, the ultimate small beach house accessory is the outdoor shower. A simple, private outdoor shower with clean wood or stone backing is not only practical for washing off sand but adds a touch of rustic, functional coastal luxury that defines the beach house experience. Now let's explore the best ideas that make a small beach house feel absolutely immense. One. The elevated underhouse hangout. The space beneath the elevated house is paved and furnished with a swing, seating, or even a bar. This utilizes the otherwise wasted space to create a cool, shaded social area protected from the sun. 2. Wall of glass for uninterrupted view. A small, compact living area is completely open to the view with floor-to-ceiling glass doors. When open, the entire end of the house dissolves, dramatically extending the perceived living space. 3. Vertical shiplap siding. Using vertical tongue and groove or shiplap siding visually draws the eye upward, making the relatively small structure appear taller and more substantial against the vast ocean backdrop. 4. Integrated outdoor shower nook. A simple yet beautifully designed outdoor shower is built directly into the side of the house, using natural stone or reclaimed wood planks for privacy and a rustic, spa-like feel. 5. Multi-level decking for zone separation. Even on a small property, using a few steps to create separate deck levels, one for dining and one for lounging, helps define zones and adds visual complexity and depth. 6. Minimalist white with natural wood accents. The exterior is kept stark white, contrasting with warm, durable natural wood, like teak or cedar, used for the deck flooring, railing tops, and trim. This prevents the white from looking stark and adds warmth. 7. Shed roofline maximizing interior volume. A single sloping, shed roof allows for a higher ceiling and clear-story windows on the tallest side. This brings in more light and air, making the small interior feel cavernous. 8. Porthole window feature. Incorporating a small, round porthole window, particularly in a bathroom or hallway, adds a charming, literal nautical touch while maintaining privacy and light transmission. 9. Built-in deck bench seating. To save space on a small deck, custom seating is built directly into the perimeter railing. This maximizes sitting capacity while eliminating the clutter of movable chairs. 10. Color-coded utility doors. The exterior storage or utility door, perhaps for beach gear under the house, is painted in a vibrant, unexpected coastal color like turquoise or coral. This functional detail becomes a cheerful design pop. The genius of small beach house design lies in its commitment to simplicity and connection. It's proof that the most luxurious feature you can have is the view, and the most valuable commodity is peace. By focusing on smart design, durable materials, and a commitment to the coastal lifestyle, these smaller homes deliver on the dream of seaside living in the most achievable and elegant way possible. Which of these coastal concepts will you incorporate into your future home? Let me know which idea was your favorite in the comments below. If you're ready to make your dream home a reality, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studio. We share the best design and architecture ideas every week. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Thanks for joining us, and may your next design be filled with salty air and sunshine.